So I've just been rummaging through my offcuts box and I found a piece of snowflake obsidian. I'm gonna make some cabochons out of this and maybe some smaller arrowheads because I only have little rocks of it like this. But while I was in there, I also found this. This is an offcut of a piece of spiderweb obsidian. I'm gonna make a dagger out of it. Let's get into it. That is so close and definitely maximizing material, but I think we can give it a go. So we have our cut and ground shape, and it's also got a bevel now, so we can actually go ahead and skin it. And there she is, all skinned. Let's get this thing hafted. For the handle, I've decided I'm going to go with American walnut, and I've got some pieces of spalted beech that I'm going to use as well. I think it'd make a nice combination if you see them like this when they're paired up. So I think that would make quite a nice dagger. And here it is, all finished and on the new type of stand. We have the next Otzi dagger. I absolutely love the pairing of spalted beech and walnut with the incredible and my favourite spiderweb obsidian. Absolutely gorgeous. You can find this and all my others at bowmanlithics.co.uk. Thanks for watching.